Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me again, Mr. Everything. It's been a while since I posted a video. I apologize about that. I've been very busy. All right. I've been working on my other YouTube channels, so if you get a chance, check out the Wildlife Guy channel. That's where I'm talking about animals and all that cool stuff. I also have a music channel that's coming along just fine. A health channel. But anyway, this is the Mr. Everything channel. I do apologize for not posting recently. I've been very busy, but just so you know that I'm gonna be back, hopefully posting more videos. And remember, you could accomplish anything you want. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to accomplish your goals, how to achieve them the right way, and also do it the fun way. Also, I'm also gonna show you how that certain things to achieve. Okay, and how to achieve it, and also when you're achieving goals, you have to be in the right state of mind. Right? And we're also going to talk about basically how to become a better person. If you want to lose weight, how to lose weight properly. So we're going to talk about all that soon, okay? So anyway, once again, my name is Mr. Everything. So check me out. I'm going to post more videos. I'm going to go live soon also on this channel, all right? And then so that way y'all can ask me questions directly. And I'm going to show y'all how y'all can make some money. Basically how to form wealth and health, all right? But I'll talk to y'all next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And tell your friends about this channel, okay? Let's get this thing going.